bump the idle up a little bit, but it's starting to sound like it should. And yeah, it already passed smog, so that was number one. It already sounds much better here. You know, one of the things I think they did before was they might have bent that when it wasn't adjusted. They like bent this. They might have bent it down. That might have been. That could have been Doug, or it could have been insane. I don't know. Because I remember they were messing with that before, so I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if they took this part and it wasn't down far enough, or when it was adjusted, and they might have bent that to, you know. Because you said that you got that screwed all the way up. All right. And one of the things that Mark just found too was, I had thought maybe it was this mechanical choke. We pulled this off, hit it with a heat gun, and that coil basically did nothing. So this should be pulling that down and adjusting the choke, and it was not. I don't know if it's still a little warm, but yeah. So that's why that choke was sticking. Sounds a lot better.
Okay, so there we go.
Yeah, that's getting there. That's getting there for sure. All right, well, I'm not gonna, keep this going for too long, but yeah, so we got a couple little things to iron out. Past smog, everything looks good. Sounding better. Choke's off right now. I'll get with, I think I got that little mechanical choke from Classic Industries probably, and I think what I'll do prior to anything else is we'll hit it with a heat gun and make sure whatever I get as a replacement actually does what it's supposed to. And out here, like today, it's whatever, first week of February, and it's 76 degrees, so you can tell. Not necessarily needed, but trying to keep everything pretty much stocked. So anyway, yeah, like I said, we'll have more content to come for sure. And I think I'll do a little surprise, let Mark go stomp on it, take it out. So we'll see you on the next one later.